Sometimes I feel like Indiana Jones. Huh. Hi, I'm Tom Gary. In my work with payments, it's like a treasure hunt. You need a map and you need a guidebook. One of the tools that I developed is something I call a payments chain. And this video will give you an overview of that diagram and how it might be useful to you. The payment system we enjoy has evolved into really a modern marvel. But it is so complex and so complicated, and there's so many players involved, that I found in searching for the hidden treasure in the payments process, I had to start by understanding a secret. And I'm going to share that with you. And that secret is, to find hidden treasure in payments, you've got to understand the goal of the whole system. And it's really the seller's goal. It's pretty obvious what the buyers want. They want to use their money, whether it's currency in coin or available balances in credit or checking accounts, to purchase a good or service from the seller. The payments chain diagram was built to help reveal all the costs and all the opportunities to accomplish what the seller wants. The seller wants usable money from the transaction. You know, no seller really wants paper checks. That's just a medium that may be used to purchase something from them that then has to be converted into usable money for the seller. So what do I mean by usable money? And why is that important to the seller? Well, it needs to be liquid but secure. It needs to be fast and efficient, low cost. And they need the money to pay taxes, to buy more products and services to sell, to pay their employees, to pay for their store, their office, their website, and to pay the owners of the business their return on investment. And that's the end result: usable money in the seller's accounts. So to review quickly, the payments chain shows the input, the tender of the payments to purchase goods and services, the processes that make everything work in a timely fashion, in a managed risk sense, and then finally the output, actually moving the money from the buyers into the seller's accounts and rewarding the other players involved. So I call the payments chain diagram a treasure map. Why is that? Well, because of the work I do with businesses and financial institutions, I have been able to find significant amounts of money in the complexity in this jungle that's illustrated by this very complicated diagram. And if you're interested in that, join me in the adventure. Go ahead and download the diagram and sign up for the special LinkedIn group that I've created for treasure hunters in the payments world.